Okay, so in there, this is the program. In this program, you have to first create the parent process. After that, create the child process. After that, delete any wahib. So in this program, you are uh, deleting the child. So फिर 4759 terminate. So आखिर so 4759 यानी 4759 recording yes recording start here. Okay, my child ID. Shufina, the child ID is 4759. So you are deleting the child. Okay, so how you are deleting? Number one, here you are creating the parent. How you will create parent? Shufina, get PID and add that GET double PID. After that, you are creating child ID. So child ID yani you writing GET PID. After that, you are terminating. This is important thing, terminating. So here you are terminating GET any child. Now if in exam you want to delete the parent, like if in exam I will tell you delete the parent. So how you will delete? Hina in place of GET you will uktub this one. Uktub this hina. GET double PID. So if you write this, then automatically the parent process is deleted. Understand or no? These talata line very important. Line number wahid parent process, line number itne child process, line number talata the termination. Okay. So if in exam in kitab मौजूद termination of child, but in exam मौजूद termination of parent. Okay. So for termination of parent hina uktub double P GE double PID बस. Understand or no? We will run this Barnami Bade na. Well, we will explain. Yes, all student. Okay. Next, zombie process. Zombie process. Zombie process. What is the zombie process? Zombie process yani you will uktub the Barnami in the computer. So what will happen? The Barnami will be stored at some location in the computer. Let's say you to program arba will save in the computer memory at some location yani process id. Okay, so what you are doing here, you are see here you write this program. When you write this program is saved in the computer. So Shofina and ps, so this the program start from 4941 and at Akir 4943. Wait, this is very important. I will explain with the help of. Okay. So here show you run program with the help of this line. After that you took this line. Up to here no problem. But here in this program you will write the sign and yani at which location you want to save this Barnami. So you uktub and but then you have to uktub enter. So what will happen? This number, this number meaning is your Barnami will be stored from this number. Now when you uktub PS yani you will shift the process ID. For seeing the process ID you will uktub this command PS. So when you to PS, the computer will display the location of the memory at which your program is stored. See here 41, 42, 4-3 यानी योर Barnami start from 4-1 आखिर 4-9-4-3. बादेन समझिएगा you will kill यानी delete 4941 kill 4941 यानी ऐश kill 4941 यानी this location delete this location delete this location delete यानी the Barnami stored at 4941 location is automatically deleted. You will look to again PS because you want to show it is deleted or not. After here show 4915 alatul 4944 yani this talata number deleted. Understand? And at akhir terminated. Understand or no? Let's say you uktub any Barnami. When you uktub Barnami, you uktub dot slash a dot Aliyo maafi galam. You uktub and let's say you uktub 4615. So when you to 4615, your Barnami will start from 46. Why delete? Because this is program. You have to delete the program to check if in the memory it is deleted or not. This Barnami is for awwal save, baden delete, baden shuf. In this program you will see how the program is saved in the computer, how you delete the computer, and after deleting what is the process ID. Okay, so if you to 4915 your Barnami will start from 4915 4616 4617. okay, और मुमकिन 4618 बादेन समझिएगा यू विल उक्तुब किल बादेन लाजिम हिना लोकेशन उक्तुब 4615 so you uktub 4615 yani automatically this talata location deleted from computer. Understand or maafi? All students. Okay, so this is program number 4.3. okay, now this is Aliyom yani Aliyom 4.1 4.2 mumkin next class maafi yani next lab maafi. So you will run program number 5 also yani this program number 5 for the next lab yani in the next lab no need to attend because exam maujud. So that's why Aliyom run and send, no problem. Or program number 5 okay, in program number 5 only you have to one program. This is important one. Wait, I will take galam because this 5 very important. You will send today 4 and 5 both. It will be easy. Yani this week finish, next week also finish. No need for the next week class. Okay. Yes, this is the Barnami number 5. Here, Shuf. Same. You uktub this. Baden run this program. Here, Shuf. Child is. This is the child. Parent process ID. Hada parent. Baden child process stop. Child process stop. Okay. So this is the Barnami in which awwal you create child process, baden you create parent process, baden you will stop. Shufina stop. Baden you will stop the child process. Here child process stop. Now in exam mumkin we will give like create awwal yani number 1 create child, number 2 okay, number 1 we will give you create अव्वल create child, बादेन create parent, number 3 hina delete parent. Okay, and yani meaning is in place of this I want parent. Okay, so how you will change in the program? In the program, child continue using signal, child process stop using signal. Py Py get the process ID. Parent. Okay. In place of P1 uktub delete this uktub P itne. Why P itne? Because shufina P itne yani parent process. P itne yani parent process. So if in exam I uktub delete P parent yani in place of hina मौजूद गदीम P1. So in place of P1 uktub P2 and hina also change this to uktub hina parent. Parent process is stop using signal and hina kill p ethane this same sign stop. Understand or no? Baden kullu barnami same. Yes student. So yani in exam here awwal you create child, baden you create parent. Okay, baden in exam I will ask you to delete the parent, so this barnami same kurlu barnami same, but hina in place of p wahid uktub p ithnain. Why p ithnain? Because p ithnain shufina p ithnain is parent, so that's why you writing p ithnain. And if in exam delete child यानी same से, if delete parent यानी you have to change to P2. Understand or no, all students? Okay, so this is program number 5.1. In program number 5, you will uktub only Wahid program. 5.2 Mafi. Program number 5.2 Mafi. Okay, this is program number 5. Okay, so this is program 5. This is program Arba. Arba point Wahid, Arba point Ithnain. You have to run Talata program and send these program for this week and next week. But send up to Aliyom Ashra PM output. Okay. So you can use compile C. Actually, these program, if you run on global compiler, then it is error, because this computer lazim Linux or Kali Linux. So better if you install, or it is also better install Kali Linux, run Kullu program up to Ashra, save on your computer, Wahid Wahid week, send Wahid Wahid on WhatsApp. Understand or no? Install Kali Linux, run Kullu program, save Kullu picture, and in every week send Wahid Wahid. Run programs here. Where? Oh, yani I will run this run program. Huh? You are saying this? Ah, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Uh, onworks.com. Run online. Start. cc p arba wahid dot c. हाँ, अव्वल gedit p arba wahid dot c. जदीद मलफ ओपन, कंट्रोल वी, बादेन चेक यानी दिस लाजिम है ना, दिस लाजिम है ना, दिस लाजिम है ना, बादेन कुल्लू, नो प्रॉब्लम, सेव, क्लोज this. Okay, now it is running. Dot slash a dot out. Run. Now Shofina, this. Okay, this is now. You want to change it here in place of to PPID. Save, close, run, again run. Okay, now show here process ID PID 830. Shift this. In a PPID 830. Now here you terminated Gadim, you terminated 2033 yani child. Hina Shuf you deleted 830. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Now you have to run program number 4.2. This is program number 4.2. Terminal October G EDIT program arba itnain.c. Run. जदीद विंडो ओपन, पेस्ट द बरनामी, बादेन चेक कुल्लू वर्किंग, zombie this. Okay, save it. now شوف cc p arba itnain.c. it is running now. Dash slash a dot out, baden space, baden lazim sign and. Okay, remember this. If you put and automatic this number every machine mukhtalif, every machine different number. Shufina, my computer machine 24937, in kitab 4941. Okay, no problem. बस you uktub and signature and दाखिल. बादेन उक्तुब ps yani you have to show where your barnami is stored. Now it will display because you here Gadim 24937 and your Barnami will start from 24937 row up to 24950. But then you will kill number 24937. Okay, but then again show it is deleted or no. Now shuf alatul it akhir 4968. The 3738 this kullu deleted. Understand? Students, next program number 5. اكتب هنا P GEDIT P خمسة C جديد ملف open هنا control V. Now check هنا error create process child ID suspend signal process. Okay, كله fine. بعدين ايش يا سيف؟ موجود سيف और नो سيف؟ शहीद या शहीद मौजूद? शहीद हेलो शहीद मौजूद? मारवान मारवान हेलो मारवान मौजूद? कुल्लू स्लीपिंग? ओके यस सुल्तान सुल्तान मौजूद? नो huh? Okay, so after this what you have to do, CC space بعدين yes yes no problem بعدين شوف recording برنامج this if kullu correct then no problem here माफी error. After this a slash out no such file or directory. uh, okay sultan cc a dot dot slash a dot out. Now shuf this is awwal child بعدين you stop the child. Okay, this is Barnami same kitab. Now I want to change. I want at akhir parent process stop like this. So how I will change? Yes, this is Khamsa point Wahid. Gedit here uh, kill p Wahid kill p parent इतने enough to parent. Okay, this statement. Okay, save, close. Don't give me anything just in Kelly. Doctor P 4.2. Don't give me anything just. In Kelly, no output. Here it is running. A dot out. A dot out. CC. Now shuf. Gadim. Shuvina Gadim. Child. child process is stop, child process running. Now I change barnami to parent. In exam like this, yani in kitab मौजूद child process delete, child process continue, but in exam I will ask lazim parent continue, but then parent stop. So understand how. Okay, so these are the Talata program run in the Linux. Okay, and so for students, any problem in the software, anything, because I am running online. Okay, I seen you like in my computer, no error, nothing. I am running same. Like I'm going here, I'm going here, and I'm clicking this where Fedora, this one, and running here. Okay, nothing new. So if you do like this, it will be same. It is running fine. And also if you want to run Kali Linux, no problem, but I need output. Same, I run here in your class. I Yes. So like this, any problem, any student?